In the chaotic world of Lookism, where high schoolers fight like superheroes, Manager Kim brings a terrifying dose of reality. He doesn't fight for pride, territory, or glory. He fights to finish the job. He is a former Special Forces operative, and his style CQC close quarters combat is the ultimate expression of military efficiency. While other characters are throwing spinning kicks, Manager Kim is breaking joints and crushing windpipes. If you want to learn this style, you have to forget everything you know about fair fighting. You are entering the world of asymmetry. This is the Close Combat Mastery Guide. The defining characteristic of Manager Kim is the circle. In the webtoon, he creates a visible radius around himself, usually 1 meter or 30 meters depending on the weapon. Inside this circle, he is God. In real-world tactical doctrine, this is known as the red zone or trapping range. Most martial arts exist at kicking range, taekwondo, or punching range, boxing. Manager Kim forces the fight into the uncomfortable space where you can smell the opponent's breath. To master this, you must stop backing away. The principle: you do not retreat to get safety. You crash in to get safety. By entering the opponent's personal space, you jam their long-range weapons. They cannot generate power for a kick or a Lu punch because they are too crowded. The drill: practice Hubert Lubat from Kali or Chi Sao, sticky hands from Wing Chun. These drills teach you to be comfortable when arms are clashing and tangled. You learn to feel the opponent's energy and redirect it without needing to see it. Once you are inside the circle, the technique shifts to limb destruction and trapping. Manager Kim doesn't just block, he breaks the weapon attacking him. If a fist comes, he targets the wrist. If a kick comes, he targets the knee. This is the influence of Jeet Kune Do, JKD. It's the interception. You don't wait for the attack to finish. You hit them while they're attacking. This is the trap. When the opponent puts up a guard, Manager Kim pulls their hands down lop sao or pins them to their chest, pak sao. He removes their shield so he has a clear line to the vital targets. The reality: in real life, this requires immense forearm conditioning and grip strength. You are clashing bone on bone. You need to condition your forearms, kotokatai, so that your block feels like a crowbar hitting their arm. Now, we must discuss the brutality of target acquisition. Manager Kim does not aim for the jaw or the abs. He aims for the off switches. His CQC is designed to incapacitate in under 3 seconds. The throat: a strike to the trachea causes the airway to spasm. It induces immediate panic. The solar plexus: a precise knuckle strike here paralyzes the diaphragm. The joint locks: Manager Kim often uses standing arm bars and wrist locks. He uses the opponent's clothing or his own body mechanics to snap the joint against its natural range of motion. Warning: in the webtoon this looks cool. In reality, striking the throat or eyes is lethal force. This is for life or death survival, not for a street brawl. A unique aspect of Manager Kim's lore is his use of wires while carrying razor-sharp garrote wires is illegal and impractical for civilians. The principle of the wire is essential. It represents binding. The concept: in grappling you want to tie the opponent up. You use your own jacket GI chokes, your own limbs triangle chokes, or the environment to restrict their movement. The adaptation: study Hapkido or small circle jiu-jitsu. These arts focus on using small rotational movements to lock the fingers and wrists, effectively binding the opponent with pain just like a wire would. Finally, you must adopt the salaryman mindset. Manager Kim is terrifying because he is calm. He checks his watch. He worries about his daughter. He treats violence as a chore. This is the switch: emotional detachment. Rage makes you sloppy. Fear makes you hesitant. Manager Kim operates in a state of professional detachment. He assesses the threat, determines the necessary force, and executes it without anger. The posture: he often stands with a slouch, hands in pockets, looking harmless. This is camouflage. The element of surprise is your greatest weapon. You go from tired dad to special forces killer in the blink of an eye. This hesitation from the opponent, the confusion of who is this old guy, is the window you use to end the fight. To learn Manager Kim CQC is to learn the art of ending things. It is efficient, it is cruel, and it is precise. You train your hands to be fast, your traps to be inescapable, and your mind to be as cold as ice. You draw your circle, and you make sure that anyone who enters it regrets it instantly.